Hello everyone, welcome to this class. In this class, we're going to deal with Bicimals. Let's say we have a number like this in base 10, which is something we've done earlier. This has a power, right? This has a power, this has a power, this has a power. This is the unit. This is the tenth. This is the hundredth. Like, let's say it like this. You know, if you have it, this is 100, 1000, but here is like tenth. You put it stage at the end. This is the tenth. This is the hundredth. You still put this stage at the end, and this is thousandth. While here is just tens, 100, 1000. So if you are to express it in power of 10, here is 10 raised to power 0. Here is 10 raised to power minus 1. Here is 10 raised to power minus 2. And here is 10 raised to power minus 3. That's when you're doing with decimal. Subsequently, let's say we have a number in base 2 like this, and we have to express it in base 2. Okay, let me express this. Should be something like 6 times 10 raised to power 0. That's what's giving us this. And this is 5 times 10 raised to power minus 1. That's what's giving us this. And for here is 8 times 10 raised to power minus 2. Here is 3 times 10 raised to power minus 3. Or in this case, here, the position of here in base 2, if you have to convert it to base 10, equivalent is 1 times 2 raised to power 0. Here is 1 times 2 raised to power minus 1. Here is 0 times 2 raised to power minus 2, though it's not necessary since it's 0, but let's go. And here is 1 times 2 raised to power minus 2. So with this knowledge, we can easily convert number that are in base 2 decimals to base 10. So let's go to example 20. We have A. We're going to convert 1.01 to base. This is in base 2. We have to convert it to base 10 because this is by decimal. We have binary by decimal. We want to have one decimal point in base 2. So we have to convert to base 10. Simply go 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2. Since from here down is decimal, so here will be minus 1, 2 raised to power minus 1, here 2 raised to power minus 2, 2 raised to power minus 3. Why? This is whole number, so this is 2 raised to power 0. Are we together? For the whole number, you start from 0 and start going, but for the decimal, you start from minus 1 and start increasing. So this will give you 1 times 1 plus 1 times 1 over 2 plus 0 times 1 over 4 plus 1 times 1 over 8. So by the time you add this, you are getting 1 plus 0.5 plus 0 plus 0.125. So everything will give you 1.625 in base 10. So let's solve the next example. This example we have to deal with, which is B, 0.011 in base 2. Let's convert to base 10. So you have 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2. From here now is decimal point. Plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2. Are we together? So from here is whole number, from here is decimal point. So for decimal point, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. That's 2 raised to power, all this. But for the 0 part, 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1. So we'll start 1 times 2 plus 0 times 1 plus 0 times 1 over 2 plus 1 times 1 over 4 plus 1 times 1 over 8. So this gives rise to 2 plus 0 plus 1, okay, plus 0 again, because 0, anything 0 multiplied is still 0, plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8. So this gives rise to 2 plus, no need to add the 0, so let's go straight to 0.25 plus 0.125. 125, and this is equal to 2.375 in base 10. Let's go to C. C says 110.11. So let's start. I'm going to have 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2. So the decimal starts from here. So here will be 2 raised to the power minus 1 and minus 2. Whole number start from here. So it will be 0, 1, and 2. Whole number start from 0, but decimal start from minus 1. Hope you are getting it. So this will give us 1 times 4 plus 1 times 2 plus 0. Anything 0 multiplied is still 0. Plus 1 times 1 over 2 plus 1 times 1 over 4. So this gives us 4 plus 2 plus 0 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4. This gives us 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 0.5 plus 0.25, which finally gives us 6.75 in base 10. Hope you can see how simple it is. The only difference is that we are introducing the negative index. So let's solve one exercise. So this is exercise 3K. So let's start. We have to convert this in base 2 to base 10. First, let's start. 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2. So from here is decimal. So 2 will raised to the power minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4. While from here is whole number, so it will be 0 and 1. So we have 1 times 2. 2 raised to the power 1 is 2. Plus 0 times 1 plus 0 times 1 over 2 plus 0 times 1 over 4 plus 0 times 1 over 8 plus 1 times 1 over 16. So this will give us 1 times 2, which is still 2. This is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Only here that we are going to get a value plus 1 over 16 is the same as 0.0625. So your final answer will be 2.0625 in base 10. So let's go to addition, subtraction in base decimal. You have 1.11 minus. Don't forget, when you're dealing with this thing, make sure that you maintain the place value. Here is 10. Here is unit. Here is tenth. Here is 100. So the unit goes to the unit. Dot. The tenth go to the tenth. The 100 go to the 100. So you now solve. This minus this is 0. This minus this is 1. This minus this is 0. And this minus this, because nothing here, is still 1. So this is your answer. So we now convert this to base 10. It will be 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2. When you have decimal, the 0 after decimal does not matter. So even if you add it, it does not matter because it still gives you 0. So we now put the power. Here is minus, okay, starting from here is minus 1. Starting from here is 0 and 1. So where you now go, you have 1 times 2 is what? 2 plus, this is 0 plus 1 over 2, which is the same as 2 plus 0.5. So your answer is 2.5 in decimal. So we go to the addition. We have 101.01. So maintain the place value 1.01. This plus this is what? 2. And you can't put it, so 2 divided by 2 is 1 remainder 0, so you write the 0, carry 1. 0 plus 0 is 0, plus the 1 you carry, you have 1 here. This plus this 2, the same thing, 0, you carry 1, put it here. Y here, remain 1. So this is what you have. So to convert this to base 10, you have 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2. The 0 after decimal doesn't matter, so you have here is minus 1, because this is it, minus 1. Here is now whole number, so you have 0, 1, and 2, which is same thing as 1 times 4, 2 to the power 2 is 4, so this is 4 plus 2 plus 0 plus 1 over 2, which is, this plus this is 6, 6 plus 0 0.5, which is 6.5 in decimal. So I believe by this we understand how to solve by decimals. It's very simple. We are doing exactly what we did in the other class. The only difference is that those decimal points we have negative index. If you have any question, do it to drop in the comment section. Thank you and see you in the next class.